Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Roel Williams. I'm here with RC from RC Corner. We're here with Mr. Omar from QYSEA, and today we're here at GITEX, and we've been presenting QYSEA's lineup of the E series, their X1 series, and all their underwater ROVs. So far, it's been a very exciting experience. A lot of questions of the underwater sector. People have been very interested in diving down deep underwater. However, when it comes to underwater, there's only a very limited number of people who can do it. Number one being QYSEA. Mr. Omar,
Yes.
thank you for joining us. How would you say your experience has been so far at GITEX?
Firstly, let me express my thank you to our local partner, RC Corner. Okay.
All right.
And secondly, I'm so excited and I'm so happy to attend this event because I already meet so many customers, leaders from different industries like the oil and gas and the shipping company and also the port management from different countries.
Got it.
And we can see that we receive so many positive feedback from our products and solutions.
So we can see around over here that we are surrounded by UAV and ROV technology at GITEX. Not only are we showcasing our lineup for the underwater sector, but we are also showcasing and educating about DJI's flagship enterprise products, the Matrix 400 and the Dock 3 here at GITEX.